unlimited Mongolian rice bowls. You get to create your own Mongolian bowl with beef, seafood, pork, chicken. Then they'll prepare it on the spot. And kung bitin ka pa sa isa, no worries kasi you can eat as much as you can. Paired pa with unlimited hot pot. Another day, another food trip, guys, girls, and everyone in between. We are here at Bad Bowl in Robinson's Magnolia. Grabe, sobrang paborito ko mga Mongolian rice bowls. Only 600 pesos, you get unlimited na. There's a station where you can customize your own bowl. You have so many options from beef, pork, chicken. There's also seafood like shrimp, squid, and fish. Of course, for the rice, they have white, brown, also have different kinds of noodles. Meron pa sila adlai and shirataki rice. Here's our first batch of bowls. You also included noodles. So you get your carbs and proteins. Now time to make your sauce. You can definitely personalize for your own preference. Pero for us, nagpa-assist kami sa staff. Kasi for sure, mas alam nila yung timpla. No worries naman kasi they have guide options naman for your bowl. Once you have the protein, the carbs, and the sauce, lulutuin na siya. And ang cool kasi nakita siya niluluto sa higante nilang lutuan. And after it's prepared, it's eating time na. I mean, sa itsura pa lang, you know it's going to be super flavorful. My bowl was focused